course. Ni hao. Xiao hao, wo jiao Rufina. My name is Rufina. Thank you for the opportunities that given to me. For today, my presentation is entitled with Educational Transformative SMPN 7 Day Embracing the Using of Artificial Intelligence in my school. Ya. Okay. Starting with the first, why AI and why now? As we know, for this academic year, we have been forced by the ministry, whether we are ready or not, to implementations the pembelajaran mendalam or of the learning in Kurikulum Merdeka. My school is not one of the sekolah sasaran that have to imply the pembelajaran mendalam itself, but I have I have beban moral, because I was the one of facilitator of pembelajaran mendalam itself, so I try to force my teacher to implementations the pembelajaran mendalam itself in my school. So because I joined this kind of micro-credential program, I feel lucky because I can have time and legally to ask or to force my teacher to know and getting closer using AI for design lesson plan. So this is the background, and then teaching and learning use cases. From 1 week ago, I can provide that AI support the teachers, support the teachers for to make the lesson planning become easily, because there is a lot of changings from the Kurikulum Merdeka without pembelajaran mendalam and go to pembelajaran mendalam itself. At SMPN 7 Day, I can see that by using AI tools, empower teachers as learning designer, just not content delivers, because starting from the way they use the good prompt that they need, I can see any kinds of AI that I ask my teacher to use, even they are using ChatGPT, using Gemini, and then using Copilot, there will not bring a good benefit without my teachers giving the good prompt for AI itself. So for 10 teachers in my school, from my komunitas belajar at my school, itu giving the result, they can design a good lesson plan by using pembelajaran mendalam itself as the approach, and I can implementations for the classroom observations. I can see what is the experience learning from pembelajaran mendalam can be seen by how the students understanding, how the student applications, and how the student can make a reflections, because of AI make it easy for my teachers to do that. And then this is my report. I have upload in my bukti karya in rumah pendidikan, how my teachers in komunitas belajar design lesson plan and try to apply pembelajaran mendalam by using AI when they design and making prompt to make a lesson plan. So this is some of folders from my teachers that already making the media, making the lesson plan. Maybe I try to I hope this is one of my best practice that I can give to the others, because I want to make the other see how AI will bring a good benefit for us in education field, my fellows teacher. Okay, go to the next slide. Schools operations and leadership. So in this case of moment, I want to underline again, AI itself will not bring a meaningful things for me as the principal or for the teachers, without we design what we want to make. So in this kind of moment for a couple of days last week, I can see from the way I lead my teachers to make or to compose the lesson plans that will go to the classroom. In my observations, when they apply pembelajaran mendalam itself in the classroom, I can see how AI ensure not replace the human relationship itself, the way that we are frightened for that AI will change the existence of teacher will not be happen, because we already know how we as the human make AI as our friend, make AI as our tool, and prove that AI is one of successful meaning or results of technology that making again by the human of course. Okay, and this is the other things that I want to share, that I will already share the the good things from AI in the other school in SMP Negeri 2 Dedai, because they asked me to give the materials about how to compose the lesson planning. So at that time I teach them how to using any kind of AI, whether ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot, to make easy for them making a very short time lesson planning, and they already make it. Maybe I try to play it. Okay, and then this is something like this. Okay, maybe next you can see my best practice in my ruang rumah pendidikan ya, in Unggah Karya. Okay, and the more important things here I want to underline is keep the human center is the most important when we as the principal lead our teachers to make lesson planning by asking AI to help them, because as we know we are afraid that AI will change the existence of teachers. So when we are play the empathy, integrity, and purpose guide in every actions, I believe AI will not bring some things that we are afraid for, but will make it easy and really helpful for us as a teacher. Okay, and then my conclusions. At SMPN 7 Dedai, from a couples a day last week, I can see from efficiency to equality is our real world practice in a resort limited setting. This is a very appropriate apply in my school, because we are located in the rural area, in a very small village, yeah, just 10 teachers with 5 class, and minimized in books and limited access to internet. So in this case I can feel and I can underline again that artificial intelligence really bring a good things for me in managing and conduct the education itself in my school. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you, my fellow teacher, great headmaster of all over the schools in Indonesia, and thank you for the professor, and thank you for Miss Sals to facilitate me. Thank you.